Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to continue about how to draw sensor pocket in AutoCAD 3D. This is the previous video I had saw already. The next video today I saw the sensor pocket is thermal. Yeah. So let's start. The first I go to 3D polyline. I create the line 25. Yeah. And go to create this point connect to the sensor pocket. Yeah. This is diameter is 19.80. So with your command circle C, enter, specify center point, click 1, specify radius of circle or diameter. D means diameter. Diameter is 19.80. 19.80. Enter. Here 19.80. And then this one extrude height 5.1. EXT, enter, select object to extrude, enter, specify height of extrusion 5.1, enter. We can try this. So in here have a thread. So we create thread by your command helix. So go to view, to the wireframe, go to draw, helix. Specify center point of base. Specify base radius. So I'm click here. And specify top radius. The same. And specify height, helix height. So helix height here. So select object, right click, go to property, okay, and then turn for and turn height 1.5. Turn height 1.5. Here. So I create one circle for make a thread. Go to back view, C, enter, specify center point, click here, D, enter, specify diameter of circle 1.5, enter. We get like this. With your command polygon, POL, enter, number of sides 3, enter, specify center point of polygon, click here, and we use inscript it in circle, and then specify radius of circle, click here. Now we get like this. We need to move M enter, select object, enter, specify base point, click here, and specify point, a second point, so we click here, select object, era second. Here we need to extrude along the path, along the helix, but before we need to chamfer the object here. So before chamfer, we can measure this, the enter, specify first point, click here, and second point here, 1.125. CHA enter, select first line, okay current. In here is 1.125, enter, and this point is 1.5, enter, select an 8, select here, enter. Now we got like this, and this side the same, CHA enter, select object, okay current. This side is 1.5, enter, and this side, the back side is 1.125, enter, select an 8, select here, enter. Now we get like this. So the next we extrude the polygon, EXT, enter, select object to extrude, select this polygon, enter, specify height of extrusion. So we choose parts, yeah, click here, or P, enter, and then select extrusion path. So select here, we get like this. The next step, we subtract as you enter, select object we need, and it means object we keep, enter, and select object we don't need, it means cut out, enter. Yes, now we get like this. Now this point is already, and go to here. That point is diameter 15.55. So we can measure the I, enter. Center point here. DI enter. Here. Right, the same. 17.55. So we can prefill this one. Prefill height is 3. We'll go to prefill, select object or boundary area. Boundary area. Specify extrusion height 3, enter. The next step is here. Here is diameter 21.92. So we use command circle to create. C, enter, specify center point, click here. D, enter, specify diameter, mean 21. 21.92, 21.92, 21.92, enter. And then we use command polygon to create 6 sides here. POL, enter number of sides, 6, enter. Specify center point of polygon. And then we use circumscript about the circle. Specify radius of the circle, click here. So the next, we create one more circle, C, enter. Specify center point of circle. And specify radius of the circle. So radius of the circle, we click here. Continue, we extrude these two objects, circle and polygon. The height is 9. EXT, enter, select two object, circle and polygon. Specify height of extrusion 9. In here have a chamfer here. Yeah. So we can go to measure. DA, enter, can measure here. To polygon. One point 1.6262. So CAA, enter, select first line, select here, OK current, 1.6262, enter, 1.6262, enter, select an 8, select here, enter. And then we use command intersect, and enter, select object, select the two object, enter. Yeah. Now we get like this. We can erase this object, circle, select and enter. And the next step is here. 25.85. So we create one circle. First we create a polyline because we delete all the center point. C, enter. D, enter. 25.85. 85, 25.85, enter. And then we extrude here 3 mm EXT, enter, select object to extrusion, enter, 3, enter. In here have a chamfer. Chamfer 1, we can chamfer C8A, enter, select object, OK current. Point 2, enter, point 2, enter. Point 2, point 2. Again, C8A, enter. Select first line, OK current, point 2, select here. Yeah. We can union here, U and A, select object, select object, select object, enter. Here. Continue to this point. Yeah, this point. The height is 4. And the bottom point is 18.20. So we create one line. Four. To command cycle, C enter, specify center point, click here. The enter diameter 18 point 18.2 18.2 enter, and then we extrude with taper 25 degree. So EXT enter, select object to extrusion, enter, and taper angle P enter, minus 25 enter, 4 enter. We get like this. Next here, here is 20.82. C enter, D enter, 20.82. 20.82 enter, and then extrude 10 EXT enter, select object to extrude enter, specify height of extrusion and enter. In here, we can add a strip with the peak to peak is 1.75. So we go to the wireframe, go to draw, elect, specify center point of base. Here, specify base radius here, specify top radius at the same point, and specify elect height here. Select object, right click, property, turn, we go to 7, we can go 6, yeah, we change the turn height to 1.75, like this, close, now we get like this, and then we go to left, choose the left, and create circle, C enter, specify center point, D enter, 1.75 enter. We use command polygon, POL enter, number of sides 3 enter, specify center point, we click here, inscript it in circle, specify radius of circle here. We move M enter, move the polygon to the inner village and erase this circle. The same step like before, we measure this DI, measure this 1.3125, 1.3125. So C8A enter, select first line here, okay, 1.75 enter, 1.3125 enter, select an 8, select here, enter, and decide the same, C8A enter, select OK current, specify base surface chamfer distance the same 1.75, specify other surface chamfer distance is the same 1.3125 enter, select an 8, select here, okay. The next we extrude the polygon along the like EXT enter, select object to extrude, enter, specify height of extrusion, so we go to paths, select path, select extrusion path, select here, and then we use command subtract to cut. SU enter, select object we keep, enter, select object we cut, enter. Now we get like this. This point is connected to the like body, like engine body or pie or cylinder head like this, and the point connect to the here sensor pocket with the union connector nut here. So we go to next step is here, and here is diameter 8.08. So we create cycle, C enter, D enter, 8.08 enter, we press full 36. So go to press full boundary area 36, enter. Now we get like this. So we can union this object to one object. U and I, enter, select object, select object, select object. Yeah, now it becomes one object. We can erase object inside, select and enter. In this point, have a fillet F enter or enter 1. Enter. Select first object, enter, select an A, like this. And here have a chamfer also, C8A, enter, select object. OK, current. Specify best sulfate chamfer distance, 0.2, enter, 0.2, enter. Select an 8 here, enter. And inside here have a hole, so we create one more circle here. The hole inside is 6.02. So C, enter, specify center point of the cycle, B, enter, 6.02, enter. And here we extrude 68.70. So we use command press full boundary area, specify extrusion height 68.70. And this point have a chamfer the same, select the cycle, E, enter, C8A, enter, select object, OK, current, specify best sulfate chamfer point, 0.2, 0.2, select an 8, select here, enter. Again, select object, OK, current, 0.2, 0.2, select an 8, Y cannot, C8A, enter, select object, OK, current, 0.2, 0.2, select an 8 here, OK. Now we get thermobell like this already. So in the video, so about how to draw sensor pocket. This is the part of sensor. It's called thermobell. We finish. Thank you for watching.